Alright, so now with the help of this mask, we are going to recover the last cases occurred in that in particular country. So we are going to put their last date dot log, that's mean the location, and then the mask. So it's the true and the false. If it is a true, then it is going to select that particular country. So we have dot log, and then we have their mask. All right, and then we are gonna get the confirmed column. Okay, and in that confirmed column I'm gonna put their NaN values or a none value. All right, and similarly I'm gonna put for the others as well. Let's say we have their deaths, and then here we have their recovered. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and see this last date and see what happens there. All right, so NaN values are placed at those places where that mask is true. All right, perfect. Apart from this, what now we are gonna do there, if you want to take some random samples, you can also take some random samples. All right, so these are the some random samples. You see there was NaN value inside there somewhere. With this, it's difficult to find out those places where those NaN values are. Anyways, so you have this one. After this, what we are going to do there, last underscore date is equal to last date. Then we are going to select where confirmed cases are greater than 0. So last date, and then we have here confirmed cases and where it is greater than 0. All right, and in this way you will get there at least one confirmed cases. All right, now we are going to do a group by. So let's go ahead and do a group by. Last date is equal to last date dot group by. All right, and then with this you have their country, and then there is date dot aggregated values, and then you have their max. All right, and then you have their reset underscore index. All right, so with this what you get there, now this will be grouped country by country, and then a maximum aggregated value will be taken together. All right, you can also see it with last underscore date. It says that something is wrong. I think yes, the 2 times group by is there. All right, so these are the max date when it is reported at least one case. See, there is a country Angola is reported on 8th of May, the last case, and this reported on the 7th of May, and this Western Sahara reported on the 12th of April. All right, so this is how we have got the list of countries which have reported the last case. So this is all about in this lesson. In the next lesson, we will start about the aggregating all those data together, minimum and first and the last date, and then finally we will plot this in a bar plot. All right, so I'll see you in next lesson.